Okay, folks, heading out to Wild Lake this morning. Bass brother Naeem had to make a run, so we're not together today, but heading out today out to Wild Lake, a little residential lake that has produced some fish for us. Naeem, his one-time PB was at Wild Lake, so there's some decent sized fish out there. Nice overcast, cloudy, 64 degree, going up to about 75 degree weather day, light winds, 4-mile-an-hour winds today. But gonna go out here and flip some of this cover that is at Wild Lake, some pretty heavy cover. See if we can catch some of these big bass today. So stay tuned, let you know what's going on. I'll check in with you at some point in time. Yeah, heading out here. The day on the water is a good day, so don't drive and shoot videos also. Public service announcement. Okay, just got to Wild Lake. Again, a little residential lake. It's not that big. I'd call it a pond, but they call it a lake. But anyway, out here, gonna try to see if we can pull anything in here. We've had some luck in the past with some decent sized bass. So let's give it a try, see what we're looking at. Try to switch out to the Senko, which is what I used last time. Had some success. Switch out this trench hog. Try putting on a Senko. Caught a nice 2-pounder off of this last time I was here. Go ahead and peg it. Quick skin hook. Back to work. There's a few fish right here staring at me. Hope I didn't spook them too hard, but we're gonna try the Ned rig. When you can't entice them with anything else, the Ned rig always seems to work. The only problem is, well, it's rocks underneath, so I shouldn't have too many problems hanging up, but we're gonna try it anyway. See if we can get them, entice them to bite. Alright, we'll try the shaky head since there seems to be a little bit of cover underneath. And try a different color. They're looking at all the black rigs, but they're not taking. Got one. Finally caught a fish. It took the Ned rig as usual. Well, got a dinky one on the Ned rig. Let's get it released. There you go, buddy. This one's a big one, Naeem. Whoa! Naeem, this might be my new PB. Oh my God, nice fish. Huge fish. Huge fish, heart's beating. Might be the new PB. 354. So I caught this huge bass, big bass on a jig. All right, let's get this release of this big girl. So as usual, I turn off my GoPro and forget to turn it back on. So on an otherwise quiet day, just caught a 3.5 pounder on a black Strike King Hack Attack heavy cover swim jig. So that just made my day just now. I've seen these large bass in this lake all season. Even though it's just a spring, you see them up close, bedded up. And I was actually gonna walk past that spot where I just caught that fish. I decided to go ahead and throw it, and came up with a 3.5 pounder. Goes to show, always throw. Oh my God, nice fish. Nice, very nice fish. Gotta weigh this one. Nice fish. 2.5.
2.5?
That's what it's saying.
That looks like a 3.
Reset it. Yeah, 2.5. Should look more like a 3.
Good job.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Come on, big girl. Get out of here. Got another one. I don't know what this is. Looks like a catfish. Just caught a catfish. Putting on the gloves for this guy. I don't mess with catfish. Just caught a catfish. You got a tough bite there, buddy. Glad I had his glove on. Alright, so update. Was here at Wild Lake today. The highlight was a 3.5 pounder that was caught on a black Strike King Hack Attack heavy cover jig. Packing it up for the day. May stop at Allen Pond on the way home. But good day of fishing. About 4 hours. I've always seen large bass here, but never really got them to bite. Today one of them took the bait literally and landed a 3.5 pounder. Wish I had caught this the hook set, but as usual wasn't even planning on throwing there, but just stopped and threw it there. But anyway, signing off. This is Warren with Bass Brothers. Naeem and I are heading out on Tuesday. But today I'm solo dolo, running for the Bass Brothers and signing off.